Dogs are reputable odor connoisseurs with up to 300 million smell receptors in their schnozzes, compared to a paltry 5 to 6 million in humans, and 40% more brain space devoted to analyzing smells. In a new study published in the British Medical Journal, a group of Finnish researchers found that dogs trained to sniff out coronavirus could detect it among airport travelers with nearly 100% accuracy, raising hopes that our furry friends could provide fast and effective detection of COVID infections not only in crowded public spaces or travel hubs, places considered at a higher risk for virus transmission, but also hospitals and even schools. The idea of using smell to diagnose disease stretches back to ancient times. Studies have shown our four-legged companions can smell volatile organic compounds, which are specific chemicals produced by the human body that enter our blood, urine, feces, skin, or breath. Dogs have been trained to detect diseases like epilepsy, cancer, diabetes, and infections caused by pathogens like malaria. When the pandemic hit, scientists hypothesized the canine's sensitive nose would also be able to smell COVID. In the new study, Finnish researchers took already trained sniffer dogs and had them learn the sweaty scent of the coronavirus. The 4 dogs were then made to smell more than 420 skin swabs, a quarter of them from volunteers who tested positive for COVID-19 and the rest from those who were negative. The results were impressive. The trained sniffers had a combined diagnostic accuracy of 92% in detecting which samples were infected or uninfected. The canine noses were then put to work again, this time screening passengers at Finland's Helsinki-Vantaa International Airport. During a pilot program that ran for about 4 months in the fall of 2020, the dogs' sniff tests were compared to 303 COVID PCR taken from incoming travelers. All 296 swabs identified as negative by PCR tests were also identified negative by the dogs, meaning their accuracy edged close to 98%. There were 3 positive cases the dogs missed, one due to the Alpha variant, which the dogs weren't trained to smell. The Finnish researchers estimate that in hypothetical scenarios of high prevalence such as a hospital or assisted living facility at the height of an outbreak, the dogs might still have pretty high accuracy with 88% for positive cases and nearly 95% for negative cases. Further studies with much larger datasets are needed to see if that holds true, though.